this is TJH back for another video, but today I am not doing Minecraft. You can't see much, but this is what happened after the 4th of July, after most of the fireworks are done. Now you might be able to hear some stuff in the background, but those might be fireworks, I don't know. But we saw these weird lights flying in the sky that faded. So, can you post in the comments what you think that was? And I will try to reply to as many of you as possible. So, oh, there's one. Could you see that? I don't think so. I don't think you can see that one. So there might be fireworks going off. And it is nighttime right now. For me, it's pretty late. But last time I did go to bed at yesterday night, I did go to bed at midnight. So we'll see how that works out for me. There are just some people around, people sitting in their driveways. And sorry about the camera quality for this, but it's not too good. There's some ice. Was awesome.
I've never seen you guys move so fast coming out the door. That was awesome.
Wow, that was awesome. I'm so glad you caught that. We both caught it, actually. And I got this glow one flag thing.
Alright, I'm going back.
And I had a really good time today.
Hey, Tim.
Super fun. You should definitely come to Monrovia or Arcadia for this. This was amazing.
Everything goes at 10, I guess.
What city is this? What city is this?
Monrovia?
Okay. Yes, so you should definitely come to actually Monrovia to see this fireworks show. There's an amazing view. What? You still recording? So, there's a lot of stuff going. And I'm at my Nana's house right now.
Hey, Disney, one like equals one savior for one leg. I just got hit in the leg with a freaking firework top.
No, don't say that.
Oh, okay. You bet, guy. We'll be back in the morning to pick up all that stuff.
No, he was just kidding, okay? He was kidding. He's my cousin. He was kidding about that. He does that a lot.
Huh?
Oh, my little cousin. Don't know if you can see her. Oh, look at her. So there's a lot of stuff here that went on. And again, sorry about this camera quality. I mean, I don't really have much equipment. So, yeah. And this is probably my shortest video yet. But it's ending at about 5 minutes, so bye. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.